your boy here is used to about 3 meals a day. Okay?
4, dog, 4.
4 meals a day.
Yeah.
And so when we were working on the Chevy last time, when we got the engine, you can see here it's put in. We put it in. I hadn't eaten all day. He hadn't eaten all day except for, you know, the morning. So things got kind of finicky. So when we were finished, we just kind of went inside to go eat. And then we came back out and then rolled the Chevy in. And that was it. We didn't record no more after that. So that's why the last video kind of ended, you know, just ended.
Yeah.
Like with no outro or anything like that. So anyways, we're back here. This is the engine. We got it buttoned up. We had our celebratory moment off camera. So I guess we can kind of, you know, fake that real quick. You know, kind of Air 5. Air 5. There we go. Shout out to COVID. That's why I'm wearing this mask, you know. So here we are. We got the engine mounted in. Nice on the motor mounts. We got to put the nuts on the back still. And then figure out where all these sensors go. We're chugging along. Moving. What you think?
Yeah, man.
You satisfied with the progress?
I am. I think today we'll almost close it up. Damn, you're almost done.
Ooh, man.
Working late tonight, so yeah, I gotta take advantage while I have you here.
Wow. That got weird. Alright, what's going on, guys? We're here live from the junkyard.
What's up, guys?
We ran into a few problems yesterday.
Lots of problems.
Sorry for all the shakiness. Lots of problems, yeah. But anyways, we got some parts. You can see them right there. Over there on the truck. We got quite a bit of lines, battery terminal cables that we needed. A few other sensors and stuff. So we did pretty good today in terms of getting some other parts. We learned quite a bit about what we need for the truck, so...
It's a little bit of labor, man, but it's all right.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. We're figuring it out. Found quite a bit of stuff to take photos of, where everything goes today, so... We're getting there. But now we can get back to it. Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to start off the vlog with some ribs. Check these out. Ooh, here we go. Look at these nice smoked ribs. So I'm going to surprise the cousin with some of these ribs. Hopefully they come out good. We're about to put some sauce on them. And I love barbecue, man, so... And I love smoking ribs. What's up, man? Camera in your face or what?
Yeah, let me get dressed, dog.
Hey, before we get all dirty, man, I gotta get your impression on these. I brought you some ribs, man. Let me get them initial impressions.
Bro, they're full of blood, man. What is this?
Okay.
I'm scared, bro. Bro. Texture's nice. It's a little, let's see. Oh, I was getting watery.
Ooh. Man, what kind of man eats a rib like that?
Bro,
What's up?
that shit's bomb.
Well, we're screwed for the moment.
For the moment, man.
What do we got going on over here?
The heater hose that runs the coolant into the intake in the back. I guess it, I don't know, melted on there or some shit, dude. But
So this piece right here goes into the intake manifold, and as you can see, that broke clean off. And so now we got the threads to that stuck nice and tight in the intake. And so we've been trying to a couple of things to remove it. Nothing's working.
comment if you got a better idea, dog.
Yeah, comment if you figured out something like this or if you ran into this problem. And so what's the solution right now?
So what I'm trying to do,
We're just gonna saw it.
trying to saw it off by hand with just behind the scene true stuff right here, man. Pure labor. You don't got the right tools, you gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. I told cousin let's take turns. He said hell nah. He said fuck that. You wanna give it a shot? Fuck no.
I guess. You get up in there. So we managed to, oh, I see you.
Yeah, boy.
We managed to get a couple pieces out by just sawing at it.
Hey, did you hear his voice change, guys? You heard his voice change, right? He was all sad at first, like, I don't know, fuck this. Throwing tools around and shit.
I was not
Yes,
throwing
you were.
no
You're throwing
fucking
tools,
tools
bro.
around.
You were, man.
No pressure, man. You just have the whole world watching you.
Stop, man. It's some surgeon stuff right here, dude. I don't want to fucking let it fall in there. Oh, yeah. Check it out. Last piece, man.
Wow.
That's it.
I cannot believe we got that shit out, dude. Because
He
I
was
thought
throwing tools out, by the way.
I was not throwing no tools out, man.
I don't want to do this no more. Reman. He always says that, guy. That's proof. And wire brush. You clean it up a little bit, and then we'll.
Well, now you want to be all professional.
Should give it a real quick. So, guys, this is true labor.
True labor.
True labor, man. Behind the scenes stuff, man. This is all raw. Make sure you check all the stuff before you put the intake on, because then you'll be stuck like us.
So I guess we'll take this time to give a little update. What happened? Man, you always doing some shit with your fingers, dude. I always look like you get shocked. Like I'm just like, there's no fucking battery. Like, how did you shock yourself?
Put it on. Try it. There's a new one right here, right?
So yeah, we're about to connect this. I think it's over here on the ground. No, that's the other one. Where'd you put it? This guy. Look at that. Yes.
Golden.
Perfect.
Golden.
There you go. All right, so you can try to thread that in. Let's see if it goes in, man.
Get some of that plumber thread or some shit.
Plumber thread. It's called Teflon tape.
Teflon tape, bro.
It's right here in front of you.
Oh, damn. I just like to see you work for me, man.
Chingada. I've been freaking working all day. Fucking got the fuel line set up.
That's what's up, man. You did good today.
I got the prep. This motherfucker. I did good today.
Let's give you a round of applause, dude. You know what? Let me just. That's fucked up.
Yeah. Oh, it's clogged.
What is that?
What is it?
Is that the way it's supposed to be?
What? Oh, what the hell is that?
You know what that looks like?
Look at fucking moco, dude.
No, yeah, it looks like devil. That looks like that damn head gasket seat or shit.
Can't blow it out?
Yeah, I think we better blow it out.
Or is that it?
Should we call it quits?
It's up to
Yeah,
you,
let's
man.
call it quits, man.
You see this guy?
What? Oh, you gonna blame me now?
Yeah, hell yeah, I'm gonna blame you. Came over here to work. I'm gonna take advantage of my time with this guy.
Yeah. I gotta go cut the grass still, man.
Damn, excuses. Always, every day.
Nah. Give a guy a break, man. Damn.
After you strip the fuel line and
No, hey,
everything,
that
dog.
was you, bro.
What?
That was you.
That was
You
not
would have
me.
helped me guide that damn fuel line.
Oh, yes. After you freaking juggernaut in there. Let me just connect everything.
Strip, man, it's strip. That's your fault. It's not your fault. And then you come over here and break this thing, and then you start throwing tools around. All
Man,
angry.
what?
You're like, I'm like, hey, relax. What's wrong with you, man? Dang. Hey, look, these are the pieces. I don't think you can see them now.
Let's see. We're gonna have to freaking seal up those threads, though.
Yeah, we'll put something on
Moco de Gorilla or something.
there. Super glue, man. Super glue work.
Elmer's?
Elmer's. That's how we've been putting the whole engine back together.
Yep.
with some-
All right. Well, anyways, what we did today, I put the fuel line on. I think it's the return side that got stripped last time. I'm not gonna, point any fingers as to who did it or
You're
anything.
pointing fingers, man.
But somebody stripped the return fuel line. So we at the junkyard we got another one. I put that in today. What else did I do? The oil pressure sensor.
Hey, stop bragging.
Let me get it. The sensor. This sensor in here that's apparently the MAP sensor or mass airflow sensor, which I highly doubt.
No, that's not the master.
I highly doubt that. Well, that's what the guy said at the junkyard.
Oh,
He was like, "Oh, that's the map sensor."
Oh, those guys are idiots.
And I was like, "Okay, yeah," but I highly doubt that's what that is. I'm gonna let you do the outro this time. How about that?
What's the outro like? What do I do with the outro? What do I say?
Finish off the vid, man.
Oh yeah, hey, so man, yeah,
Yeah.
knock yourself out, man. I mean,
Anyways, we're gonna end it off here today.
yeah,
We'll continue on that little thing, that mess up that I had with the, what is it, a coolant hose or
Yeah,
something?
coolant hose.
That ended up taking most of the time trying to figure out how to get it out. But yeah, we're moving along.
Yeah.
We got a little bit more things to do in terms of getting it started. Got to get the starter hooked up, and then that's about it, right?
We're almost there.
I think it'll be ready to try to get it to fire up. Oh, the other thing is the distributor. We didn't really talk about that.
Yeah.
So we're kind of lost with that right now because apparently you're supposed to put a mark on it or something before you take it off. We didn't, and I'm not sure how it goes.
I think we'll just put it in, man, and
Yeah,
we'll adjust it as needed or something.
we'll figure it out.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button. Also subscribe. Comment down below if
You guys know how to put the distributor in correctly.
yeah, distributor, how to take threads out, that or the whatever we did. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.